Have you ever wondered how those colorful, flavored syrups we get from the pharmacy are made? It's a process that combines art and science in a fascinating way. They're not just sugary treats. These syrups are carefully formulated to deliver medication effectively. It takes a fascinating blend of science and technology to create these liquid medicines. Scientists use advanced equipment and precise measurements to ensure each batch is perfect. From selecting the right ingredients to ensuring their safety and effectiveness, making pharmaceutical syrups is a careful process. Each ingredient is chosen for its specific properties and tested rigorously. So put on your lab coats and let's dive into the sweet science of syrup production. It's a journey that involves chemistry, biology, and a bit of creativity. Pharmaceutical syrups make taking medicine easier, especially for children and people who have difficulty swallowing pills. They transform a potentially unpleasant experience into something more manageable. They mask the bitter taste of some drugs, making them more palatable. Flavor testing is a crucial step to ensure the final product is both effective and pleasant to take. But don't let the sweetness fool you. Behind the scenes, a lot of science goes into crafting these liquid concoctions. Each bottle represents hours of research, testing, and quality control to ensure it meets the highest standards. Making a pharmaceutical syrup starts with selecting the right ingredients. This is a meticulous process that requires precision and expertise. The most important ingredient is the active ingredient, which is the medicine itself. It is carefully measured to ensure the correct dosage. This could be anything from pain relievers to cough suppressants, each serving a specific purpose in treating symptoms. But it's not just about the medicine. The other components are equally important. Other ingredients play a crucial role in making the syrup effective and enjoyable. These include binders, stabilizers, and solvents. We add sweeteners like sugar or artificial sweeteners to mask the bitter taste of the medicine, making it more palatable. Flavoring agents like cherry or grape make the syrup taste yummy. This is especially important for children, and to keep the syrup fresh and prevent spoilage, we add preservatives. These ensure the syrup remains effective over time. Once we have all our ingredients, it's time to mix them up. This isn't as simple as stirring everything together in a bowl. Pharmaceutical companies use large, high-precision mixers to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the syrup. The active ingredient is first dissolved in a liquid base, usually water or alcohol. Then the sweeteners, flavorings, and preservatives are added gradually while the mixture is constantly stirred. This ensures that the syrup has a consistent taste and texture. Section 4. Filtering out the funk, ensuring syrup smoothness. After mixing, the syrup goes through a crucial step: filtration. This step is vital to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. This removes any impurities or large particles that might be present in the mixture. These impurities can affect the taste, texture, and safety of the syrup. Just like we use a filter to make our coffee clear, pharmaceutical companies use special filters to ensure the syrup is smooth and free from any unwanted bits. These filters are designed to capture even the smallest particles. This filtration process is essential for the safety and quality of the syrup. It ensures that the syrup meets the stringent standards required for pharmaceutical products. It ensures that the final product is free from any contaminants that could be harmful if ingested. The result is a smooth, clear syrup that is safe for consumption and meets all regulatory requirements. Section 5. Quality control, safety and effectiveness in every drop. Before the syrup is bottled up, it undergoes rigorous quality control testing. Scientists and laboratories test the syrup to ensure it meets strict standards for purity, consistency, and effectiveness. They check to make sure the active ingredient is present in the correct dosage and that the syrup is free from any harmful bacteria or impurities. They also check the syrup's color, taste, and texture to ensure it meets the required specifications. Section 6. From factory to pharmacy, delivering the dose. Once the syrup passes all the quality control tests, it's ready to be packaged and shipped. The syrup is carefully measured and poured into bottles made of special materials that don't react with the medicine. The bottles are then sealed tightly to prevent contamination and labeled with important information including the name of the medicine, dosage instructions, and expiration date. Finally, the bottles are packaged and shipped to pharmacies and hospitals, ready to be dispensed to patients. So there you have it, the sweet science of pharmaceutical syrups. We've learned how these liquid medicines are made, from selecting the right ingredients to ensuring their safety and effectiveness. It's a fascinating process that combines science, technology, and a touch of sweetness to make taking medicine a little bit easier. Stay curious, keep exploring, and always ask questions about the world around you.